Can you believe it? It's already the final month of the year. 2023 has been quite the journey, hasn't it? I know there's been some highs and some lows, but that's the journey. You're still here, persevering, and it's so inspiring to me. If you've been with me from the start of the year, we've accomplished so much, haven't we? We worked out from our couch, our living room, our kitchen, our bed. We did so many things, walking indoors, mobility, you name it, we done it. It's been so much fun, but the fun doesn't stop there. Let's end 2023 with a bang. You know what that means? My December challenge starts right now. For December, we are doing a year in review. Yes, we're gonna review everything that we've learned in the last 11 months. I've curated 31 of the best, most beneficial exercises that has appeared in the last 11 months on the Justin Agustin Fitness app and website. And I've lined them up for 31 days, one for each day in December, for us to complete one more time before we ring in the new year. It's time to see how much you've progressed over the year. I know you have. Even if it was just a little bit, that counts, and it's something to celebrate. And if you still find these exercises challenging, no worries, it's gonna give you a new goal to work on for the new year. And if you're a new member or if you're thinking to join, this is a great opportunity. You're gonna have a list of 31 amazing workouts to build that foundation. They are all beginner friendly and of course, gentle. In the next 31 days, we're gonna cover all the vitals in beginner fitness, from cardio to mobility, strength, endurance, stamina, and of course, we're gonna focus on those specific areas like your hips, your knees, your hands, and your feet. Literally everything that you can think of that a beginner needs. And of course, alongside the challenge, I did film some bonus content for you with Kathleen. We're keeping everything as accessible as possible, and of course, you can modify each and every workout. It's so easy to join. If you're not a member yet, just go directly to justinaugustin.com and sign up to a plan that works for you. If you're watching this early December, I am leaving the Black Friday and Cyber Monday promo code there for you so that you can benefit from the sale. It's gonna expire soon, but if you do it now, if you do it quick, you'll have it. I highly recommend to get the 1-year membership so that you'll have a whole year of challenges and access to the app and all the amazing things that comes with your membership. Let's end 2023 strong so we can ring in 2024 as a stronger, healthier version of you. You got this.